Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Robinhood's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Robinhood's account, firstly go ahead and open your Robinhood application. The homepage of Robinhood application will appear on the screen. Click on Login at the bottom left corner of the page. Now to log into your Robinhood's account, enter your email address and password associated with your Robinhood's account and then tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can log into your Robinhood's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.